Hi friend, welcome to YouTube channel WG News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about the missing link. Once again I say welcome back if you are new viewer and or viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest update and stay connected with me. Communities and the nearest trains are considered the linchpin of any disaster management system. Pakistan National Reaction Management Act 2010 focuses on the directions management and delighting uh, delighting the functions and power of the directions management authorizer at the national, provincial and direct level. Na- National and Privations have been exceed a micro level rule as such as political formulations, chromidetions, providing tenure exceed and the direct directions management have a political rule in operations. If tracks the community is the first wisdom as well as the first source, the next line of defines in the local administrations year the DDMA around Allah. Under the ADM Act, the DDMA signate a leadership role of the local control head at the direct level, acting member, including the deputy commanding police, police officer and direct officer of health and other departments. In concert of 2022, when local government were not is placed during the full elected local bodies now are functional. It is the time that direct shepherding took the lead in developing local level directing response plans by involving and union councils. Functions of the direct annotation included developing, evolving and updates direct management plans, developing and updating rig maps, causing effect for direct persons and measurement. The 2010 and 2022 folds show the functional DDMS are the missing link in the direct response system. The folds weak in all the proofs exceptly in the south communities included nature what no one except few NGOs actually some training and eye to the few communities during the direct admissions what was appeared the endemia and PDMAS have a unfortunate but for all practical purpose DDMAS did not exact when direct the deportee there is no delighted sessions or team with management skills. Local level started just of the fourth month or after the direct DDMS to mobiles and refill sources then that often end up in the warehouses of local landlords. No wonder recuse and raffling opening during the flood were happened. In short, the DDMA thought the local response links to the optical capacity and source. Functional DDMA are absent from the reactions response system. It is also responsible for folkly community training and awareness programs and setting up a missions for early warning and the accurate information to the reavailable and the public. These functions recuse are road. The year plan is human source. Certainly not direct causes not these functions, this lack of capacity. National Monsoon Plan this year the needs of capacity of DDMAS by proving human resource and softening funding, promoting training and skills department for direct management personnel at the direct level. Direct level taxing management plans recuse sources as attractions. Punjab has developed annual plans for racing. However, the last one is from 2022. These important assignment based direct management plans for also direct for 2022 to 2032, but with the neatly changing climate 10 earlier plans will become almostly soon. These plans serial review and revisions for instance does not float in the ground realities with their percent capacity. DDMS cannot manage complex reactions like 2022. There is an unchecked needs to enhance their capacities and thoughts enable them the tackle reactions before then unlanes Hono. The writer is Kim Stones. Once again, I say welcome back if you are new viewer and or viewer. I hope you will be enjoy this video. If you did like this video, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.